In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the sign-in issues on your Xbox Series console. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go ahead and just try to sign into your profile. It freezes or shows an error. The first thing you need to do is then fully restart your console. After you do fully restart your console, and you could just hold down on the console button on the console itself and it'll restart, or you could just hit restart console just like so if you're able to. But once you are back in, go up to the very top and select the settings gear, and you need to go into the general tab and go to power options. Open this up and set it to shut down now instead, or just shut down in energy saving as well. And then from here, go ahead and turn your Xbox off completely, power it back on, and after restarting again, try signing in one more time. If that still doesn't work, what you need to do is remove and re-add your account. Don't worry, this is not going to delete any data. But after doing that, once again, go back into your settings, and this time go into the account tab just like so. And then in this section, you're going to see that tab to remove account selected, remove whatever account you want, for example. Just keep in mind, your save data is usually backed up to the cloud, so you're not going to lose any real progress as long as you've been connected online when you've been playing. But once the account's removed, go back to the home screen again, press the Xbox button and select add or switch, and then choose add new, sign back in with your account details, and you'll be good to go. After you log back in, your account should work normally again. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.